Alright, so when floating down the creek, you know, we've had all this misinformation, and I swear to you, like on everything, that you've been lied to more than you could possibly imagine. For instance, well, the sun causes cancer. Okay, so the sun, the energy for the entire freaking world shines on your skin and produces what? What is the big thing you get when the sun shines on you? You get vitamin D. What has vitamin D been absolutely proven to do for you? Prevent skin cancer. Well, how the hell is the sun gonna cause cancer? And provide you with the shit that prevents cancer? Riddle me that one. Somebody just please throw that shit out there and let me know how you get a contradiction that damn blatant from your medical profession. How about we pose a different perspective here? What if I told you that when two creeks merge, water gets better? Okay, no. What if I told you that it's not the sun that's causing the skin cancer? It is the burning of the skin and then the removal of the oil that the skin produces to protect it when you bathe. Your bath causes skin cancer. Your chlorinated water causes skin cancer. The sun does not cause freaking skin cancer. So if you're really worried about skin cancer, stop bathing. Promise you, it'll work. Now, you may not be socially accepted, but you won't have skin cancer either. Promise you, works every time. And if you must bathe, then you want to put something on that mimics the human's oil that is produced by the skin. Best bet there, get some MSM lotion, because the MSMs are antioxidant, and the emu oil in there is the closest thing to human skin oil that you're going to find. So that way, you can play in the sun, and then honestly, if you get burnt, why don't you wait a day before you bathe and just see the difference? I promise you, you won't be burnt if you do not take a bath. Your skin is made to produce the oil necessary to keep it from burning. But we jump in the damn showers first thing when we get out the sun. Don't do that, man. Just don't do that. I promise you. It'll change everything to your skin. Love y'all. Peace.